Hey, uglies. Hey, losers, nacos, and wannabes. You know who this is. And if you don't, then your local celebrity with the Beyonce body that everyone's jealous of. So we're on our way to a tour in downtown Houston. I forgot what it's called. I think it was like underground coolant fridge. Well, anyway, supposedly there's an underground tunnel here in downtown Houston. So we're on our way there. And on this Tacobi. Yeah, he's ready for a Beyonce concert.
I'm a country singer now because Beyonce is now doing country. So
yeah.
We stand. Okay. We stand.
He's just missing his cowboy hat and boots.
I'll get one today. Don't worry.
First, we came to eat a snack. So we ordered chips and queso. Wait, what kind of protein? Picadillo.
Tropicals from Imelda, and we'll talk all about that history. All right, y'all, let me go ahead and have y'all cross right over here.
We're learning.
Yeah, I thought Austin had the largest tower at the Frost Tower.
They tried to.
Yeah.
So they tried to make the Facebook building, and then they didn't approve the concept or the idea, and then it kind of fell apart. But so we have the two tallest, Dallas will have the third, and then about 1 hour overnight. And I was in my car, so right outside the door, and there it was tragedy dropping. So that's why I was
Are you enjoying it?
Yes, I'm actually learning it.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell your mom and your sister.
I was like, I thought I knew this. Little did I know. It's heavy? Look at the details. Melly espresso.
It's heavy.
All bronze.
So she had to be married. As things started to evolve here in Texas, she divorced her second husband. She'd run her whole empire all on her own.
So, supposedly this building is supposed to be the tallest building in Texas. It's the Chase Bank.
So let me ask y'all, do you see that's what we're paying you for? One board member jokingly said, we want something Texas size. Like, careful what you wish for because it might just come true. This one has to go groceries, and the door actually opens right up front like this. Two people do fit at a time if y'all want to step in for a photo.
Hey, uglies.
So rude.
So we just finished the tour. It was cute. We learned a lot. I didn't even know there was a tunnel. He knew there was a tunnel, but he never told me there was a tunnel, and he never brought me.
I mean, there was really. Would you go? Well, there's some things I'd go back to see, but not like a lot of them.
Yeah.
But it was cool to go to the street.
Yeah. So,
And just in case you want to try something else on the weekend. I almost shot a light there.
Yeah, so we're seeing it. It's on the weekends. So it's kind of cute. Nice to come in the weekend. Well, anyways, we're done for the tour and we're gonna go eat because we're starving. And that's all my
A
video.
Vespa.
Huh?
A Vespa.
He wants a Vespa.
Not a Raspa. A Vespa. A scooter.
Oh, okay, that's good.
I would not be opposed to a Raspa.
Vespa.